If you're melting under the Ahmedabad sun and looking for a break, I've got you. Here are some stellar spots near Ahmedabad you can hit up in summer. And yes, each one is refreshingly cool. Literally. Mount Abu. It's Rajasthan's only hill station, and thank goodness for it. The temperature seldom crosses 30 degrees Celsius here, so while Ahmedabad cooks, you can chill, literally. Naki Lake feels like something out of a painting. Polo Forest. Less than 3 hours away, and you're suddenly wrapped in greenery like it's a lost kingdom. There's treks, ancient ruins, and good shade. Bonus, early mornings here are gold for nature photographers. Udaipur. I know it's a bit farther, a 5-hour drive, but totally worth it. Between the historical vibes of the city palace and boating around Lake Pichola, you'll forget the concept of summer heat even exists. Saputara. Gujarat's very own hill station, and just the right amount of understated. Nothing flash, but between its calm lake and sweet hiking spots, you'll vibe with this place. Plus, this is the season the rains just kiss the hills. Zanzari Waterfalls. If you're good with a day trip, this is pure therapy. About 75 kilometers from Ahmedabad. Monsoon's its peak season, but even in summer, it's a refreshing outing. Just pack good shoes, you'll need them. Lothal. History nerds. Let me tempt you. It's an hour-and-a-half drive and boom, you're walking in the footsteps of the Indus Valley civilization. It's not cool, but mentally refreshing? 100%. Shanku's water park. Not a nature kind of person? Fine. Dump yourself into wave pools instead. Located in Mehsana, just an hour away, this place is the cheat code for handling 44 degrees Celsius days. Rann of Kutch, salt desert. Everyone thinks of it during the Rann Utsav, but summer means fewer crowds. Head to Dholavira instead. Mix in quiet desert vibes with an archaeological twist. It's oddly satisfying out there. Gandhinagar Children's Park. So this is for people who are tight on time and maybe have kids. It's relaxing, shaded, and well-kept. Not touristy, though. Think of it as Ahmedabad's sneaky way of catching its breath. Vadodara. Road trips here are easy breezy, and you'll hit places like Sayaji Baug, huge gardens, a zoo, and, shall we say, some life outside just standing under a fan 24/7? Feels like a win. Thol Lake. For sunsets, killer. Birdwatchers, thrilled. It's barely 30 kilometers from the city, so it's not going to destroy your weekend either. Pro tip, arrive by 6 a.m. for that Instagram-worthy golden glow. Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, leave early enough, and you'll catch a boat ride when it's still cool. Ducks, pelicans, herons, sometimes they just seem better company than people. Big win if you're avoiding humans this summer.